10 simple ways to make money online. In today's digital age, making money online has never been easier. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra cash on the side or build a full-time income, there are countless opportunities to make money online. Here are 10 simple ways to get started. Freelance writing. If you have a knack for writing, you can earn money by writing articles, blog posts, and other content for businesses and individuals. Online surveys. Many companies are willing to pay for your opinion, and online surveys are an easy way to make money in your spare time. Selling products online. You can sell physical products or digital products online, such as ebooks or online courses. Affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products or services, you can earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. Virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and business owners need help with tasks such as social media management, customer service, and administrative tasks. Dropshipping. This involves selling products through an online store without having to hold inventory yourself. Online tutoring. You can teach anything from math and science to music and language online. Stock photography. If you have a good eye for photography, you can sell your images online through stock photography websites. Online investing. With the right knowledge and strategy, you can make money by investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies, and other financial assets. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular area, such as fitness, personal development, or business, you can offer coaching services online. In conclusion, making money online is easier than ever before. By exploring these 10 simple ways, you can find a method that suits your skills and interests and start earning money from the comfort of your own home.